Just a quick one with people who often suffer from headaches. A nice easy way if you have at home, if you or anyone in your household suffers from headaches, just a nice way to relieve neck tension is to take a couple of deep breaths all the way to your stomach, because a lot of people tend to breathe from there, which is panting, and not from your core. So a few deep breaths, hold it, and then for headaches again, we're opening up this forehead. There's a muscle over there that's often involved with frowning and when you're concentrating on things, especially in today when a lot of us are on our phones and bent over with our phones. So all we do for a head massage is flat hands over the scalp that way, and you'll often find this is where a lot of people hold tension, and women especially, when you have your hair pinned up or in ponytails or anything like it tends to pull on the scalp, and this can create a headache as well. So flat hands, just gently the muscles of the scalp, and all we're doing, we're helping to move it and relax it, as these aren't muscles that move very often unless we are frowning. So again we go, and to the scalp, at the back of your scalp you'll find these little dents, so I'll move it to the side, and you'll find in the scalp there's usually little dents at the back of the scalp. So if you just go gently into these dents and do circular motions, and what that does is it helps to relieve any tension that is built up there, and if this is tight you'll often feel that there and know if you need to work further down into the shoulders. But as for the scalp, it relieves a bit of tension in the scalp. Even a massage on the ears can be really helpful as well. These reflex points on the ears. So just gentle movement, not very hard. And again, and on the scalp using the tips of the fingers, circular motions. Just spread your fingers apart, some circular motion and around. And that is just stimulating the nerves that is on the uppermost part of the skin, and that helps to relax this area. If you want a bit more pressure, or you feel you use the flat of your hand, and I generally always work front to back to go into the scalp. And when you want to finish off, hold your hands there, a couple of deep breaths, and there we go. Thank you.